Nina besilo sanibonani babukele emakhaya nawo wonke umuntu obukele le video bengisacela mawumusha kule channel ucofoze usubscribe ubottom ulike ushare ucomment uvule notification ukuze uhlezi unotified ngakho konke.
I'm back, Wanakochaye. I'm back, Kupuskapeinela. Wanakochaye, it seems as though Ntanzi's case will be supported fully by the police, the South African police. Wanakochaye, those are the main witnesses in Ntanzi's case. I say this because yesterday another policeman was called to testify on the missing cell phone from Valeria Station. Miss Mutau confirmed that while she was on duty, she did not hear anything about a cell phone that was taken by Mokgane and Mabena. Matter of fact, she did not see Mabena or Mokgane at the police station on that day. During cross-examination, Dr. Sibanda put it to her that Wanakochaye, I never saw Zemtase, because what do you mean? Would you have been able to see Mabena or Mokgane if you were on duty on the day when you were also attending to the cell checkings, because you were doing the hourly checks at the cells? Would you have been able to pick up whether they came or did not come on the day? But Miss Mutau made it very clear that she is there to support Ntanzi's case and she is not there to give objective evidence, because when it was put to her that it is impossible for you to say you saw every single person that came into that station on that day, because 8 times on that day you had to go to the cells and go check on the prisoners. Therefore, you would not have been able to see everything that happened. And it was also quite clear during the one-on-one questions with Judge Rata, when Miss Mutau was asked, have you not been able to see what is happening there on the news? Because we are seeing cell phones being taken from stations. We are seeing the police raiding police stations and coming out with multiple cell phones. How does that happen if you are saying in your evidence that there is no ways that Ntanzi could have had this cell phone? And of course, she changed her evidence and said, well, my lord, since you put it that way, it is possible for a prisoner to have a cell phone with them. Let us go and see who else Mr. Ramasipule has installed. Hey, I'm back, Ngwanakochaye. I'm back, Kupuskapeinela. Sengipha amafilter, Ngwanakochaye. Ngizokhala ngani manje? If you were not able to check out yesterday's episode of the Senzo Mayua Rap on channel 405, please run to their YouTube channel because the link is out, Ngwanakochaye. The episode is rolling and your girl is cooking. Last week we had Mr. Mahlangu, who was testifying on behalf of the Pretoria North police station. This police station is the police station that when Ntanzi was brought to Joburg on the 16th of June, he was taken to this police station. Now, Dr. Sibanda asked that we please postpone the proceedings to today because he wanted to get more documents so that he can proceed with his cross-examination of this witness, Ngwanakochaye. Listen, this witness is quite important because this is the station where Ntanzi would have been when he was tortured. Okay, we need to see those OBs because the OBs are present. Anyway, let's go hear what happens today. Before I forget, Linda, I am also on that other app, Red and White. Please find me and find my videos and subscribe. Yes, I'm a struggling artistic mole. Please help me. Let me get to that 1,000. That's 1,000. I am walking towards the 1,000.